Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to register a MasterCard gift card. Whether it's a gift from a friend or a reward from work, registering your card is key to unlocking its full potential and keeping your funds secure. Let's get started. First off, why should you bother registering? Well, it protects your money from unauthorized use, lets you track your balance easily, and might even allow for online purchases. Plus, it's usually quick and straightforward. Before we jump in, make sure you have your gift card handy, along with any details like the card number, expiration date, and maybe a CVV code. Step 1. Locate the registration information on your card. Flip it over and look for a website URL or a customer service number. Most MasterCard gift cards direct you to the issuer's site, like the one from the store or bank that issued it. Once you find that, grab your phone or computer and head to that website. Step 2. Navigate to the registration page. It's often labeled as Register Card or Activate Gift Card. You'll need to enter your card details accurately. Think of it like signing up for a new account. Don't rush. Double check for typos to avoid any hiccups. Next, Step 3. Create an account if required. This might involve providing your personal information, such as your name, email, and address. Some cards let you skip this, but it's common for added security. After that, verify your details. Many sites will send a confirmation code to your email or phone. Finally, Step 4. Confirm your registration. Once everything checks out, you'll get a success message, and your card is good to go. If you run into issues, like an error message, contact customer support right away. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. Registering your MasterCard gift card is a simple process that takes just a few minutes but gives you peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.